Hello and welcome to my video all about how to knit the simple seed stitch. This pattern is different to the regular seed stitch because here the seed stitches are a lot more spaced out over the surface of the knitting. It's a clean and simple design and quite minimalist in appearance. To follow along with this pattern, the first thing you need to do is cast on a multiple of 4 stitches plus 1. I personally cast on 13 stitches. For row 1, which represents the right side or the front of the knitting, you need to begin with a purl stitch. So make sure the working yarn is at the front of the needles and purl 1. Then for the rest of the row we need to repeat knit 3 and purl 1. So make sure the working yarn goes between the needles to the back and then knit 3 stitches. Then the working yarn comes between the needles to the front and you purl 1. And you just repeat those 4 stitches until the end of the row. So that's knit 3 and purl 1. Knit 3 and purl 1. Then for row 2, which represents the wrong side or the back of the knitting, you just need to do an entire row of purl stitches. Then for row 3, it's just a row of knit stitches. Row 4 is just a purl row. Then row 5 begins with 2 knit stitches. Then the working yarn comes to the front and you do 1 purl stitch. Then we need to repeat knit 3, purl 1 until we've only got 2 stitches remaining. So that's knit 3 and purl 1. Knit 3 and purl 1. Then, when you've only got 2 stitches remaining, you need to do 2 knit stitches. Then row 6 is just a purl row. Row 7 is a knit row. And the last row, which is row number 8, is a purl row. And that's it, that's all there is to it. I'm now going to knit those 8 rows again and show you the result. And this is what the simple seed stitch looks like, on the front and the back. I really hope you found this tutorial useful and thank you very much for watching.